with green stuff growing out of it. Here we go. Lime, some seasoning.
What's the verdict?
I'd eat 10 of those.
It kind of freaks you out a little bit. How we got this nice of a room, but Ashley's double checking to make sure that this is actually correct.
Yeah, they said we have the VIP room.
Hotel let us take free bicycles.
We got bicycles for free.
I don't know what we've done to this place, but
they think we're really important for some reason. We're gonna go to Lily Pop restaurant. It's got excellent reviews, but we'll see how it is ourselves.
We're the real reviewers. All right, I gotta put the camera up.
A lot of top sellers. So,
what is it?
I actually might try this. I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna try it.
Here, first. Okay, going to get it for you, yes?
Okay, thank you. That's the perfect way to end this day. Now you know how to get home?
Guys, we made it to Siem Reap. We want to learn some history before we go see all these incredible temples.
First off on our list is the Angkor National History Museum. Did I say that right? All right, knowledge, here we come.
Knowledge, knowledge.
Knowledge.
You see knowledge. See it over there. Ready?
Yeah. She still can't get her shirt on. Babe, how many times we gotta go over this?
4 hours later, we did it. I'm ready to go to Angkor Wat, are you?
Right now, right?
Tomorrow maybe. I'm pretty, my brain's a little tired. Yeah, and I snuck a lot of pictures from the museum of all the information.
You can't remember it all.
It's nuts, it's beautiful, it's awesome, but it's nuts.
Time for a quick hotel change. All right, new day.
New hotel.
And new hotel. We are going to go around today to the temples. Gonna take a little bike ride.
What was that?
What?
We're going to go around to the temples. We're going to take a little bike ride. Today we're gonna go see if we can sneak into any more unknown ones for free.
Ooh.
Gonna bike around Siem Reap.
I'm getting a little sneaky.
Let's
Remember that really cool temple called TonezPro with the tree sticking out of it?
Yes,
Yeah.
where Tomb Raider was filmed.
Gonna go to that one.
I know. I need to stop sticking my tongue out. I know. He keeps telling.
Change of plans.
We didn't get past, I don't know, not even being able to see the temple without paying a $37.
It's 37 bucks to go see the temple. We thought it was initially just to go see Angkor Wat, but it's also included to see all the other surrounding temples and everything, but still $37 for one person for one day is pretty steep.
We're eating, and then we're gonna show y'all the nightlife of Siem Reap because it's a huge part of Siem Reap. I mean, the nightlife is a little wild.
Adidas, and Nike. Alright, I think we found it. That's it, right?
We finally found it. Babe, is this it? I'm confused.
That's it over there. Or is it that way?
There's night market down there, but wait, the rest is down there.
Alright, real-time Frogger. Are you ready, babe? Ashlei found the treasure trove of $1 t-shirts.
You know when your eyes start to droop, when you're tired, you've gone to too many night markets, too many people have asked you for tuk-tuks.
But we are getting ice cream.
Which one's a pink sauce?
Very good. Happy camper. Mangoes and strawberry.
Ready to go home?
Go some ice cream again on the way out.
Was that English? What did you just say?
I said, we'll get some more ice cream on the way out.
Oh yeah, I'm down, babe, I'm down. Alright, right now, in front of everyone, I am apologizing. You will see that there is a scratch on Tyler's face. It looks like a cat attacked him. Don't wrestle with your husband. You know, I am strong back, which I am with the pillow, but I have nails. Yeah, I just wanted everyone to know that it was an accident. So today we're going out to the floating villages.
This vlogging thing is hard sometimes. Nope. Fantasies for being in Southeast Asia was to be able to climb up to a coconut tree and take some coconuts down. Just came upon this guy that's way up here and taking, oh, he's young too, he's really young. Very impressive, very good. How much money you get from coconuts?
$1.
$1 for every single coconut that they get down from these trees. Whether they're their trees or not 100% sure, but regardless, making a living, making some money, selling coconuts. We have biked probably about 15 kilometers today, and I think we've just about made it to our destination. And we're gonna show you a little bit of like the floating villages and the houses around here that are, and the people that live on the water. One thing I'm sure that's like not really talked about is just the economy and the commerce that's here in Cambodia, and why is it that these people can't, or not say that they can't, but why is it that these people live like this? And is it by choice, or is there just not the infrastructure or the ability for them to move up in the chain to live in the bigger cities and get a nicer house, get nicer clothes, have money? And how they do it is just absolutely incredible.
very early. It is 4:15. This morning we are going on a bike tour through all the temples of Siem Reap. Doing this for a company, for a biking company that does this regularly, but we're on the tour for free to do some work. We've never vlogged and worked before, so this could be interesting. We're going to try to vlog while we do this, behind the scenes a little bit. I don't know.
Well, yeah, this is gonna be a test of our skills.
I got it. Do you?
Yeah.
King called it Angkor what? Angkor, it means the capital city, the whole capital city in this area, and what it means monastery. So the whole capital city returned to be the king monastery in the 15th century.
Alright, we're geared up, we're ready to go. We're getting our seat adjustments. It's gonna be a wild ride, guys.
Now we gotta do off-road first.
Off-road first.
You guys hear that? Off-road first. We have found the biggest sheep I've ever seen in my life. And I've never seen sheep with horns. The infamous Tomb Raider tree. Angelina Jolie stood right here. Professional.
Yeah, have a good day. Thank you.
Tyler and I are now going to retreat to these hammocks and wait for the sunset. No matter how sick or tired you are, if you can only be in one place once, make it count. So worth it. We have this whole temple area to ourselves. We're in ancient world. The kings have built all of this throughout thousands of years, and it's still here. It's awesome.
Not enough for a 3-hour flight.
I'm gonna eat all the cookies. Are you gonna eat? There's 1,000 clips of me eating on our computer.
Because that's all you do.
I'm looking out the window eating my croissant. Wait until I'm done eating.